folks. Uh, Today we're going to take a tour of the cabin. I've had a few comments asking about the cabin that I rent out. I'll take you on a little tour. And this is the wisteria that won't be contained. And right over the edge is the patio, a little chimney, barbecue. And then on the house here, second floor has a little Romeo and Juliet balcony, which I'll show you from upstairs. And this is what you look over. A little cloudy day today, but once the leaves come off, there's a view out that way. And I have apple trees and hazelnut bushes and pear trees and all sorts of things. House rules. Let's go inside. So inside, we have a living room, and it's a log cabin. So first off, a little bit about a log cabin. This is from a kit company, although it wasn't a kit, it was just I bought the logs from the kit. And you can see how it's set up. The logs come this way, so they're milled, so they're straight on one side. That's the side that's going to be on the inside, facing the inside of the building. And then they're curved on the outside, so they look like rounded logs. That's on the outside. And then they have this little tongue here, and then a groove right there on the bottom of the other log. So when they sit on top of each other like this, the tongue and groove fit together, and you put a little bead of caulk on this side, and on the top you put a sticky layer of 1-inch foam that compresses down, because you run screws through every couple feet. And then in the corner, they just butt up against each other, and it's every other one. So that's what a couple locust posts here holding up the summer beam that goes across, that holds the floor joists. And another locust post right there. And that one you can actually see through on the other side. It comes through the wall here. You have a full kitchen, 2 stoves, fridge, counter space. Then in here, you have some cupboards for recycling, and then you have a bathroom that's fairly unique. There's another view of the shower from outside. This is out on the little porch out here. That you can open these doors and you can have an inside-outside shower. This is stone, faux stone. It's stone I make, and goes way up to the ceiling here. And there's the shower head, and you can just stand right under that, and the whole shower is stone, so you don't have a shower curtain or anything like that. All the floorboards are trees I've cut down over the years and pieced them together. The dark ones are cherry, and the light ones are poplar, and there's beech and maple and oak, all different things. The living room has some couches, heat pump that runs off my solar panels from outside. This door outside leads out to some hammocks, a little covered porch out here. And this is the fireplace. It's an actual fireplace. I made the stone around it, and I get people saying, "Wow, how did you get that stone in here?" And I say, "Yeah, I know, it's heavy." And they're like, "Yeah." And then I say, "No, I didn't carry it. I built the house around it." And they're like, "Oh, right, of course." And then I say, "No, I didn't build the house around it. It's fake." And I give a little tap like that. And then they know they're in for it then. This is the steps upstairs. I use grapevines a lot for railings, which are fantastic because they stay the same diameter for long distances. They just don't have much strength, so you have to support them a lot. And they also, when they dry, they check massively, so you have to fill those cracks with caulk. In this case, I filled it with brown caulk, so you can't see it. Upstairs, you have a little sitting area at the top of the stairs. A nice window that looks out onto one bedroom here. Has a couple beds, some nice views out the windows here. On the second, it has a nice little play fort for kids with a bed up here. Tight with the ceiling here. The stone chimney there. And then we have the master bedroom here with the very high-tech TV. Another window that you can get some nice views out of. And Romeo, Romeo, wherefore art thou? Romeo? Where's Romeo when you want him? This is the bathroom off the master bedroom. Got a toilet and a sink. And it's open up top so you can see all the beams. And then there's a little shower over here with mirrors and nice windows you can see out of when you're taking a shower. And this is an unusual bathroom. I'm not sure how well it's going to video. So this is the broken mirror bathroom. I saved all these pieces of broken mirror when I used to work at the dump and made this bathroom. It looks gigantic in this viewfinder here, but it's actually a very small bathroom. Maybe it's 5 by 6 or something like that, but the mirrors reflect forever. Looks like there's 5 toilets in here. 5 toilets, 3 sinks, and a couple strangers with video cameras. This railing has a little story behind it. Piece of maple here, so it goes from the first floor up to the second floor. And it takes this bend, right angle bend there, and it goes back and attaches to the wall. And it was a maple tree that it was on a hillside. I found it, and had fallen, and this was where it was growing straight, and that part died, and then it grew up because it had fallen down the hill, so it ended up making this right angle like this. So then it was growing back up, and then it looks like it died one more time, and then another sucker came off this way. And then from downstairs, you can come outside here. So that's it. That's the house I rent out, the log cabin. And thanks for watching. And please like and subscribe. It helps me make these videos. I appreciate your interest. See you next time.